Today's market update, we finally have some good news for you. We see the Treasury note falling to 443. Interest rates are falling from their highs of around 8%. We've seen at least a 0.5% improvement over the last 2 weeks, which is great news. Why is all this happening? Well, CPI, that's the inflation numbers, those are coming down. Unemployment numbers, it seems that unemployment is starting to creep up just a little bit. Also, retail lenders are seeing huge inventories because of demand not being as great, because obviously with rates going higher, it's more expensive for you to pay your debts, your credit cards, etc. So everything that the Fed is trying to do is coming together to start to bring these rates down. So we are seeing mortgage rates coming down. We are seeing retail sales slowing. Everything that the Fed is doing is working, and that is how mortgage rates come down. So positive news, if you've locked in maybe 2 weeks ago or later, talk to your lender about floating down the rate. They should have that opportunity for you. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready, or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.